What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Godsend B.A. Pinky, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. Here in Canva Play, we make videos to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notification just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. With that said, I'm going to head on to our today's tutorial. Our today's tutorial is called Press Text Outline Effect in Canva. Graphic designers like me, like you, and many others out there use typography to make their design striking or eye-catchy in the sense. Agree with me? Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language legible, readable, and appealing when displayed. Typography is the differences between different styles of text that create distinct appearances. Canva Play posts for some time creating tutorial about typography. If you're an avid follower of this channel, I know you knew this art of typography we did in our past tutorials, like the gradient text effect, the filled text effect, the sticker text effect, and the hollow text effect. Did you like them? Have you tried them all in your designs? If you did, I'm sure with this one you will like it too. I am so excited to show you the typography design that I'm about to create. If you can visit my Instagram page, I showcased in my number 171 post volume 8 font effect, wherein I created different typography effects in a rainy season theme. The second one sample is my favorite, and here it is. Let's now go to Canva and make the press text outline effect, and this is the design that I will create. I am now in a Canva blank design page, and let's start doing the press text outline effect. For example, I have in mind that I want to create an ad about the rainy season clothing line. A clothing line for ladies and female youngsters. I want my design to be a girlish kind of thing in soft and light color with the word limited edition, and I'd like this word to be in press text outline effect. So let's begin. I will color my page first with a light color 1 as my temporary background color. To be specific, I want to use hashtag E1D3C8. Next thing is, I will now create the text effect I am thinking of. I will go to text located at the farthest left menu of Canva and add a heading, and I will type in the word limited edition. Now I will change the appearance of this letter. First, I'll change the font name to Care Shadow. The first one. This is a hollow type of lettering, which means it's empty space inside and seeing only the lining of the letters. I will not change the color and retain it to its default color, which is black. After changing the font, I will change next the spacing. I want them to be a bit compressed. So using the letter, I will go to spacing tab at the top portion menu, this one, and change the letter spacing to -33. And then the line spacing to 0.79. This is now how it looks like. The letters became compressed. Next step is, I want to fill the empty space inside with a pink color. So I will duplicate this text, and then I will position it under for you to see, and then change the font of this duplicate word to Care. One point in doing this kind of typography, use a font that has the same kinds but in different styles like these fonts. There's a lot of them in Canva's font library. Take time to browse them all and you'll find a lot of them inside. Or just simply use a not hollow text font like this one, the second one, and just follow or apply the hollow effects on it to create a hollow letter type. So using this font or this word, I will go to effects and then choose the hollow and then just change the thickness. That's the example. That is one of the options that you can use. After that, I will change the color to dark pink. I'll click the text and go to text color tile and then click the plus sign under the document colors and type in hashtag E275C9 for pink color. And then I will change the transparency to 24 because I don't want it to be that so bright and not so colorful. I want it to look soft as possible. Now, I already have two texts in different styles. I will create another one which will be used as the shadow to press the outline of the two type letters. I will duplicate this black hollow letter type and then I will position it above. I will change the color of it by going to text color tile and click the plus sign again under the document colors and type in hashtag C39784 or a bit similar to its background color. And then I will apply an effect on this one. So using this third letter type, I will go to text effect and apply neon with 100 intensity. Now I have three letter types in a row. I will make them as one in this position. The first one with color should be at the back. And then I will follow or over it the white one letter type. And then the black one follows, which should be in the frontmost part. After arranging them on the said position, I will make them now as one. But first, select the two type letters. I will set aside first this black one and then I will position these two letters middle center to make them as one. I will zoom it so you will see how this white shadow makes the press text outline effect. I will overlay the black one over the two type sets and look carefully how will I position it to create the effect. I'll position this black one a little bit further because I'm going to align these two type letters. Did you see the effect? The outline is being embossed, right? Select them all and group them. The typography art is now done. As I usually do, let's make the design complete. As I said a while ago, I want to create an odds of a girlish look clothing line that is so soft to the eye. So I searched for a beautiful drop background from other photo stack sites using the keyword pink wall pattern water dewdrops and uploaded it to Canva. And then I will now go to uploads and get it and set it as my background. Another element I use in my design is the striped square. Going to element, I'll type in striped square. Go to graphics, and then I will choose this third one, showing you the keyword striped square. Drag it over the design. I will resize it, make it bigger to be specific. 620 size. And then I will position it middle center. And then I will change the transparency to 50 to make it a little bit light to the eye. And then lock it. I will get another element from elements. So I will go to element and search for rectangle outline background. Go to graphics. Then I'll choose the second one, this thin one. I will drag it over my design, and then I will make it bigger. But before that, I will rotate it in a portrait position. Then resize it to make it bigger. I'll color this one to white. And then, like the other elements I use, I'll position it also middle center. I want to give life on this rectangle. I want it to have a shadow. We knew for a fact that elements cannot be edited, so I can't apply a shadow effect on this one. So for me to have a shadow, I will duplicate it and recolor it to black. And then I will change the transparency of this duplicate one to 20. And then I will align it to the white rectangle element. I will move a little away on the side and downward to make it look like a shadow. And then I will position it at the back of the white rectangle. And then I will group them together to make them as one. Then I will position them middle center again and lock them. It's almost done. For the final touch, I will type in a short title for this ad. So I will go to text. I'll add a heading. And then I'll type in rainy season clothing line. I'll use again the Carry font. And then I will left align it. And then I'll change the letter spacing again using 48 as the letter spacing. And then the line spacing 1.14. And then I will resize it to be specific, 38 in size. I will color it white to match the soft vibe of the design. And then I will position it under. And then I want to make it a little bit readable. So I will apply a shadow on this text. Using this text, I'll go to text effects and apply shadow. And then change the blur into 42. And then change the color of the shadow to black. And then lock it. And for the limited edition word, I will also resize it. I'll make it bigger to make it the center of attraction. Then I will lock it also. And then I will make the surface smooth to look at, as if a little blurry to make the design pleasing to the eyes. I will get again the background photo or image from my uploads and then drag over the design. I'll position it to front. And then I will change its transparency to 19. And then I will resize it same as the page size. I will use them as my overlay. And then I will perfectly align it with the background. And then lock it so I will not change the background photo. Done! Here's now the final design I created using the Press Text Outline effect in Canva. That's it! For more designs inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky Godson BA saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Simon Goodheart BA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.